In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pair a V8 smartwatch with a cell phone. Okay. Go to Bluetooth. Okay, now go to search new device. Okay, now go to Bluetooth on the phone. Okay, now go to search. Okay, now as you can see, there's V8, so go to V8. Go to pair. As you can see, the phone detects it. Go to yes. And there you go. It's now paired. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.